A tragic incident occurred in Indonesia, where a 54-year-old woman named Farida was swallowed whole by a 16-foot python. Farida went missing while she was working in her garden. Her family and local villagers discovered the bloated snake nearby and suspected the worst. Upon cutting the snake open, they found Farida's body intact inside. Such incidents, though rare, highlight the dangers posed by large pythons in rural areas of Indonesia. Stay cautious and aware of your surroundings in wildlife-prone regions.